Hey everyone, it's Jenny Baker. I'm making this video in terms of what is a trailing stop, how to use it, and why we want it. So Margosha in the group had requested I make this video, but kind of got a little sidetracked this weekend. So here I am. As you guys can see, this is a demo account. This is gbpusd. You know, most of the stuff lines up. This is just for kind of trailing stop purposes, but I entered an order. You guys know you can right click, go to trading and enter your order. I've got a stop loss set kind of below the stars. I can make it a little bit bigger, below the big arrow. And I've got my take profit set at the average daily high. So that take profit is set currently at 47 pips. But the purpose of a trailing stop is what if this kind of zigzags and comes all the way up here? I'll use a little annotate tool and draw, and don't make fun of my drawing. So if price does come up, kind of come down and plays around, but doesn't quite hit your take profit, and then it tanks. The whole purpose of a trailing stop is, I'm going to change the color, is if price goes up in your favor and you have like a 15 pip trailing stop, it will knock you out right here. So you won't hit your stop loss, or you won't lose any money. You'll get knocked out. And if you have like a 20 pip trailing stop, then when price comes up this high, retraces by 20 pips, it's going to knock you out here. This way, you're not going to lose money on that trade. For those who can't always sit in front of their charts, it's just a really good management tool. So how we use that is we'll click on our order. Right click on the order, put a trailing stop. It is measured in points, so you're going to want to make sure you add a 0 to whatever number you have it at. Currently this is set at 15, and for a GBP pair, that's reasonable. We could go 20 because this is only a 15-minute time frame. So if price goes more than 20 pips in my favor, the trailing stop will then activate. So let's say it goes 21 pips in my favor. Let's see. It comes up to like here, and then it retraces. What's going to happen is it's going to kind of close out the trade at close to break even. If price, for example, kind of goes 30 pips in my favor and it retraces, it's going to knock me out, and I'm going to close out with approximately 10 pips minus spread fees and commissions and all that good stuff. So the purpose of a trailing stop is to manage your trades. It's to be able to kind of protect your money. So everyone wants to talk about how to grow their money, but I think most people are missing the key ingredient, which is how to protect capital preservation. Because it doesn't matter how much you can make if you don't know how to keep it. So there's that. And obviously, you guys can go to your terminal. You also have the option of right-clicking where it says price. You can add a trailing stop from here, custom, and type of the number you want. You can modify it. So you can decide your take profits and type it in based on the points, obviously, so you're that last digit falls off. So you have the chance to kind of modify it in that way too. If you can't get it to click on the charts, just right click, hit trailing stop, and you can kind of customize it to whatever you want it to be. Again, the purpose of a trailing stop is just primarily trade management. So when you're in profit, so sometimes we're wrong. Losing a trade is not the end of the world. But I don't like the idea of being in profit by this much and then it retraces, because on a few standards you're basically forfeiting $10,000, $1,000 depending on what you're trading, how big your lot size is, how big your account is. You're forfeiting a lot. So the purpose is you're always kind of putting your stop loss into profit when you can, and when you can't, your trailing stop is going to kind of protect you within reason. No, it does not take away the need for your stop loss, because if price never goes, so for instance, last point of view here, if price only goes, let's say 19 pips in profit and never goes 20, and then it reverses, then you're still going to hit your stop loss because the trailing stop never activated. But that's about it. I want to keep this super short for the people who want really, really short videos. If you have any questions, you can message me or ask in the group. I'm sure somebody will step up and answer. I hope this helps. I hope you have a fantastic day, and God bless.